All right, hello my lovely friends, I'm back with yet another video, and today I'm delving back into the world of perfume, and I have prepared for you a little view of the Lattafa's Abiyedh Rouge. Obviously I mispronounced this probably, but it is what it is. This is the box it comes in, and most of you will know that this fragrance is associated with Maison Francis Kurkdjian Baccarat Rouge 540. Now, does this smell like Baccarat Rouge? Well, let's open and see. Okay, so first of all, the presentation is pretty nice, especially for the price paid. These ones go for good $20 something, 20 something euro. At least this is what I paid for mine. This is the bottle, looks quite nice. The cap has like rhinestones in it, or diamonds, kind of. That said, it is plastic and very light. Not that it matters for this price. This is a 60 milliliter bottle. I can already smell it. So what it should smell like? Let's get a first blast on here. Okay. I needed to calm down a little bit, because the first blast, as it was said from a lot of other reviews I have seen online, is quite alcoholic, which is absolutely the truth. So don't spray this and bring your hand immediately up to the nose, because it is quite strong on alcohol on the first blast. Now, when it's starting to dry down here on the hand, I can already smell this really nice top, which is quite refreshing. The top is quite citrusy, bergamoty I would say, and then it very quickly dips down into the sweetness of candy corn sugar. So it does have this Baccarat Rouge 540 burnt sugar smell, cotton candy smell, that's definitely present. Is it the same as Maison Francis Kurkdjian? Obviously no, it doesn't smell absolutely like that, but it is very, very similar. That said, I have tested it out a few days ago when I got it. One thing to note though is, although when you spray it, it comes across very strong, it does leave my skin, or becomes skin scent quite quickly, at least on me. But obviously we all have different chemistry of our skin, so it might work differently for you. That said, I am impressed what the house of Lattafa has achieved here for the price. For the price, this is getting sold at things like Notino or Fragrance Net and other retailer stores, I mean resellers of perfume. You know what I mean? This is definitely worthy of your hard-earned 20 something bucks. Now, is this a scent for the upcoming season? I don't think so. It's not fresh enough, but nevertheless, maybe evening wear, it can be used. The smell is quite nice, especially when it calms down, I'll say that much. Now, would I recommend you to get this? If you smelled Baccarat Rouge 540 and you're on a budget and you don't want to spend that kind of money on fragrance, by all means, get yourself a bottle of this. I don't think you will regret it at the price that this is getting on that you can get this on the market. If you have any questions about the Lattafa Abiyedh Rouge, please leave it down in the comment section, and I'll be very glad to come back to you with some answers. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I wish you a fantastic upcoming week. Take care of yourself and stay well. Bye from now.